Looks like the wind's calming down a bit too. There you go. And then just keep favoring that left side because that wind's coming out. So like I said, you want to aim for that left side piling and then just watch your speed coming in. There you go. And then I'd leave her in neutral, just let her float forward. You're coming in perfectly straight. Then you're coming in nice and slow. The wind's probably going to blow us in there. We're going to do a little tap and then just get ready to come forward on the port because it's going to jut you out over to the left. There you go. And then just walk her home with the port. And then a little bit of reverse on the starboard. Alrighty. And that's 4 points of contact right there, we'll call that.
Points.
Very nice. That's a docked boat. Awesome.